Guys, my name is Faith and I'm from FreeSP Radius. Today, I'm going to walk you through a beginner step-by-step guide on how to use your MikroTik. From downloading Winbox to logging into your MikroTik for the very first time, getting internet flowing through it, and then, because things don't always go smoothly, we'll cover how to troubleshoot when your internet is not working. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional MikroTik router, and more importantly, you'll actually understand what you did. So, let's get into it. Alright, first things first, we need Winbox. If you don't know what Winbox is, think of it as your remote control for the MikroTik. It's the lightweight little app that lets you configure everything on your router through a nice graphical interface. No need to memorize terminal commands right out of the gate. Open up your browser and search Winbox download. Click on the first search result and the Winbox download page will open. Most modern Windows machines are 64-bit, so in this tutorial I will be using a Windows machine. We will go with version 4.0 since it's the latest and will be compatible with recent MikroTik router OS versions. Click here to download. Once downloaded, here is the beautiful thing about Winbox. You don't need to install it. It's what we call a portable application. You literally just double click it and it runs. That's it. No installer, no setup wizard. Before we can log into the MikroTik, we need to physically connect